Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another shag jacket.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another shag jacket. I'm going to be doing some earth tones today, and I'm not sure on the pattern I'm going to do. I may do a design. I'm not sure. I have to go with however it is I'm feeling. But we're going to go ahead and get into this. All right, y'all, first things first, we're going to grab one of our yarns, and in the inside of your yarn, it should be a string to pull. If you don't find it on one end, flip it around to the other end, and there it is. And then you're just going to pull the string, and you'll get a book or just something that's going to give you the same length with all of your strings from your yarn. So with that string, what we're going to do is pull it, and then we are going to line it up with the end of our book right there. And then we are just going to continue to just wrap that around until we get towards the end. But in between time, we are going to snip that off and restart again. So I'm going to show y'all this technique and how I do it somewhat, so that you'll know how I get the length of my strings, because I don't think I've shown you guys before. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all this time. So let me go ahead and get that started. And you're just going to keep wrapping it around until this part gets full, or until you feel like it's time to go ahead and snip that apart. Alright, y'all, as you can see, I got a good amount right here. So I'm going to take my scissors, and I am just going to get in between there. Let me see which one might be best if I do it right here. And you're just gonna snip, snip, and keep snipping until you get towards the end. All right, y'all, so there you go. You will have just about the same length. So maybe a little longer, a little shorter, but this is the length that I have. Let me pull this back, so this should be the good enough length, because I was wrapping it around like this way, when in the end I will have to cut some, which I will be wasting yarn. But I think this length is a good length for my yarn. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my yarn, and then I'll be back. So this is the cardigan that I'm going to be using, and of course on the black part I will be adding the brown, but the black will be covered up for sure. So let's go ahead and get this started.
Your heart is hard to carry after dark. Try to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it. And I'm going back there tonight. And you know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight. And you know what's on my mind. So second guess I should've stayed. You say the word, I'm on the way. It feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, she ain't either. Why second guess I should've stayed? You know what's on my mind, so someone new last night and we kicked it. And I'm going back there tonight. And you know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight. And you know what's on my mind. So second guess I should've stayed. You say the word, I'm on the way. It feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, she ain't either. Why second guess I should've stayed? You know what's on my mind, so second guess I should've stayed. You say the word, I'm on the way. It feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, she ain't either. Why second guess I should've stayed? You know what's on my mind, so just how I feel when I'm around you, shawty. Last night we didn't say it, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess? I should've stayed. You say the word, I'm on the way. This feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, she ain't either. Why second guess? I should've stayed. You know what's on my mind, so